Could it be our health freedom is truly under fire?
This data is mind-blowing, and you are not hearing it on the local news.
I consider myself a very informed citizen, and that's what we all need to be.
Kids just seem to be getting sicker and sicker. More asthma, more eczema, more ADD, ADHD. What is going on?
Welcome to Jack Lyons-Weiler, a good friend of mine who has been instrumental in helping me get the data from my practice out to the world.
What we found was the more vaccines they had received, the more office visits that they required for asthma, allergy, allergic rhinitis, sinusitis.
He was doing fine until those vaccines, and after that, never again met his milestones. He stopped talking. He lost every bit of eye contact. And by 2 years old, he was diagnosed with autism.
That story that you just shared is the same story I hear literally hundreds of times.
If you look at the data, we found zero ADHD in the unvaccinated. You don't have to be a statistician to put a level of significance on that. It's shocking. It really is shocking.
Yeah. We're sharing this story, folks, with you so that you can do different, right? You can make a different decision.
Together we stand united for health freedom.